Hey guys, welcome back. First of all, I'm going to apologize for my appearance. I've got bun hair and I'm sweaty, but I am packing to go on a camping trip with the boys. So I'm just rushing everywhere, but I just actually saw an opportunity to share a little trick that I learned with you guys. So we are going to be camping in a small pop-up camper. And we don't have a lot of room for a whole lot of stuff, so I will put all of the boys, all the triplet stuff will go into one suitcase or a small tote. And in order to do that, I have this little way of condensing everything so that it doesn't take up much space. So I've picked out an outfit for each day that we're going to be away, and I am going to show you now how I package them up nice and tight so that they are space saving and we don't have to worry about taking up too much space inside the camper. I will say though, coming home is a completely different story. They will not be condensed and in a nice little package. Everything gets thrown in a laundry bag, goes into the washer when we get back. But anyway, enjoy, and I hope that this works for you. So I've already gone through and I have selected his outfits for the week. So I am going to start with this short set. So I'll lay out the t-shirt. I like to lay it with the logo on the underside, and that way he can see what shirt it is or what outfit he's choosing. And then I'll lay shorts, or if it was pants, I would lay pants. Little tighty whities. And we're going to fold one sleeve. And fold the other sleeve. I like to start from the top and work my way down. I like having the bulk in the center. I'm just going to roll that all up. I'm going to grab a pair of socks. Now, some of you are probably going to say that I'm stretching out their socks. Well, if you're going to say that, you probably don't have 8-year-olds because my 8-year-olds put 2 feet into one sock and hop around the living room, and they do all kinds of things to their socks. So stretching them over a shirt and a pair of shorts, not a big deal. So then I just cap the ends off of that with those socks. And I just leave a little bit showing so that he can see what outfit it is for the day, and I set that aside so that's a full outfit. So I will just go ahead and proceed with the rest. So there we have it. That is 1 week's worth of clothing, all in this one convenient little section. So I will bring one suitcase, and all of their clothing will be in the one small suitcase. So they will each have a row of their sausages, and their bathing suits will be in there also, and their pajamas, and that will be it. So this is just a nice way again to condense and make some space in your suitcase, and also to be able to pick your kids' outfits while you're traveling. Have a great day.